Dear children, we are going to begin with a new topic today, that is force. I'm going to share with you an activity. Please watch it very carefully. It will help you in understanding the lesson. Objects with me: a ball, a toy car, a spring, and a Play-Doh. Please observe, all these objects are kept on the table. They are not moving, so they are said to be stationary objects or objects at rest. Now, look at it one by one. This is the car. I give a push to the car, it moves. The car is in motion. If I put my car in front of the car, it stops. Now, what has made the car stop? It stops because of the force. This force has made a moving car, a car that is in motion, come to rest. The force can change the motion as well as the direction of the car also. Now look at this Play-Doh. It is round like a ball. If I press it with my finger, the round ball becomes a flat ball. What has happened? If I squeeze it or press it with my finger, I apply force on it, due to which its shape and the size both change. But take the spring. We can pull the string or squeeze it. This squeezing or pulling it changes the size of the spring, and this change happens because of the force that we are applying on the spring. Now take the ball. I roll the ball in between my two hands. You will observe that the direction of the ball changes. If the force is applied by the hand, it can change the direction of the ball. In physics, we define force as a push or a pull in a particular direction. Force is an external agent which is capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body, and you saw this in the first video that was shared with you. The direction towards which the force is applied is known as the direction of force. For example, in the above picture, you can see the boy is pushing the door, so the direction is in the right. Where he is pulling it towards the left is the direction towards the left. Application of force is the point where the force is applied. In the above example, the handle of the door is the point or the application where the force is applied. Force, therefore, is an external agent which can change the state of rest or motion of a particular body. It has magnitude, that is mass, and a direction. It can move a body in a particular direction, or it can change the direction of force. So, force is the push or a pull having both magnitude, that is the amount of mass, and direction. It is applied on an object with mass and causes a change in its velocity, that is the speed. If you will look at the pictures in the slide, you can see that a boy is carrying the box. This box has mass and he's moving towards the left, that is the direction. A man is pushing the chair in a particular direction. The chair has mass and the direction in which the chair moves is because of the force that is applied by the man on the chair. Then the man is pulling the chair. He's applying force on the chair to move it, and the chair moves according to the force applied on the chair by him. Now, let us look at this slide. We've already said that force is a push. You can look at some of the images shared. In the first case, the boy is closing the door. The girl is pushing the pram. Then in the next picture, the girl is throwing the ball. In the fourth case, the boy is putting away the book and it applies a push. The girl is kicking the ball away from her. This is also a push. So whether it is closing the door or pushing the pram or throwing the ball or putting away of the book or kicking a ball, all these are examples to show that force is a push. Now, in your book, you've been given an activity. I want you to do this activity at home. You'll take a matchbox and a coin and place them on a table. Apply force on it by pushing it with your finger. You will observe that the matchbox and the coin move from its place. It happens because you applied force on it and made it move. Force is also a pull. For example, when you want to open the door, you pull it towards yourself. You want to zip your jacket, you pull up the zip. Here you will look at the picture of a girl pulling the pram. Now there is an activity in the book and you can play with a friend. Ask your friend to throw the ball towards you and you catch it with both hands. You are able to stop a ball which your friend threw that was moving with your hands. That is a ball that was in motion. When you caught it, it came to rest in your hand. The pulling force is being exerted by you on the moving ball, and it is this pulling force that makes the ball come to rest. You learned two new terms today. A body at rest or is a stationary body, that is, it is not moving. For example, look at the picture of this girl, she's sitting, or a man lying on the floor, or a car parked. These are all examples of a body at rest or a stationary body. The second one is a body in motion or a moving object. A man running or a car that is moving, you cycling your bicycle. These are examples of a body in motion.